Hey guys, it's Maymay. I'm a trusty sidekick.
Oh, Vinny's here.
We're in the store. We are what will be the new Maymay Made It store. Check it out. So I'm at the front door, and we've taken walls out here. You can see that all open now. So all that is going to be the retail store, this whole section. Don't worry, we're getting Maymay red. Y'all know it's coming. And then this side is coming out too. You can see that stud wall right there. That's coming out because it's going to be all open. Now this guy has to stay here because there's an air handler, but we're going to use it for product wall. And so that wall will come out. We'll have a huge space for our retail. Check it out. And our cash stand, our cash wrap is going to be right there in front of that window. Those rooms are going to be offices. There's not really two rooms, it's one room, but it's going to be offices. This room's going to be an office right here. Down here, I think my most favorite room is going to be the classroom. This little nook right here is going to be something, probably an office. And here, this is our classroom. And we're not separated exactly yet. I'll show you. The light's not working on this side, babe. What happened? Oh, there's no lights in this one.
Yes, they're just not working.
Okay, so this wall's coming out, and this is going to be one huge classroom with two offices in the back and then a storage closet on that side over there. So there's that, and then we'll go back here. I got to go kind of quick. We got a basketball game to get to in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, which Vinny says is God's country. Yeah. Okay, so back here, ladies' restroom right here. Pretty pink. It's going to stay that way. We think it's cute. And then in here, okay, this is the studio. I'm so excited about this room, y'all. This is going to be where all the filming happens, everything from paper crafting to our live shows to Wreathology to Couture. We get to do it in one place, and I'm so excited. And we have a built-in sink and built-in cabinetry, and this one's going into the classroom, so it's not staying here. So this will be our studio. And then down this hallway, I got over any boy's back, we have the men's restroom. Guess what color it is?
It's blue for boys.
And you got to know, this was a nursery. This was a church nursery. And guess what we're doing? Leaving it blue. We like the blue, so we're leaving it that way. This green is going away. The green will be gray. Most walls will be gray. This is our little kitchenette. I know what y'all gonna say. No Vinny's Vittles. No kitchen for Vinny here. So this will be our little kitchen. Our fridge will go there. This hallway is going to be where we put a little bistro table so we have a place to have lunch. And this is mine and Vinny's and possibly Shannon's office. We may have to put 3 in here, and we're trying to think how to do that. So this is just green. I'm just showing y'all green. Here's the floor, that'll help. So this will be mine, Vince's, Shannon's, maybe even another person's office.
No, I'm not putting 4 people in this office.
We got to do what we got to do. We're thinking of putting me and Shannon, because Shannon works with my schedule all day long, right? That because she's my assistant. So we're thinking about putting me here and then her there, like facing each other and just making that our office, and then making Vince's on this side because he's got that big computer monitor that's got to have space. Put Vinny on that side is what we're thinking. And you want to turn the light off? It'll be gray also, by the way. Gray and red, that's what we're using. We can turn everything off now, I guess. And that is going to be, oh no, I didn't show you the warehouse. Oh no, you guys see the warehouse? That's the good stuff. Remember, this wall will be gone and this will be all open. I'm so excited. It's going to be awesome. Now, to get to the warehouse, you'll come through the front, you'll just come up the store. At the front of the store, this section right here will be Amanda's office. So they're putting up a wall and a door here. So this little section will be Amanda's office. And then through it is the warehouse. Now it's dark in here. This, well, it's not too dark. This will be the warehouse. And all of this space is going to be for product, for shipping, for receiving, for everything. And this pretty wall, which I love this wall. This sawdust is, the sheetrock dust is getting to me. This wall, no, you can see really good in the camera. This is coming down, although we love it. We were going to leave it. But this is our window, and it makes the window black. And Thomas wants to be able to see out. He's very adamant about that. I get it. I would too. So we're going to have that cleaned and then window tinted where it's not limo tint. What's it called? It's like that where you can see out but not in. So we're going to have that done there. And then this room is getting not painted, Only the back wall's getting painted red, right? And the rest is gonna stay like it is. And this will be the warehouse. There you go, guys. This dust is getting to me. I don't like it. So can y'all see it floating in the air? It's gross. Okay, there you go. Your first look. I'll show you more as we get going. So this is an update, and here you can see our red. And I hope it looks red on camera because it's really red in person, but it feels a little orange on my camera. But I'll get up close so you can see it. And we've got the floor to go in yet. Lots being done. There's colored spots in this floor that they're removing. So you can see that's a colored spot. They're taking that out. So it'll look like this, and then they're gonna replace this tile into it so we can have all one color there. And then all of this has to get tiled. And this is our air handler. If you saw in the first video, I probably showed you where the walls were coming out, and this was gonna be the column that holds the air handler. So that's that. And our plan is to put our television up here so that it'll have like Welcome to Maymay Made It, and it'll be playing YouTube videos for you guys when you come in. And then down the hallway, oh yeah, this wall is out. I think this wasn't out when we showed you the last update. So this whole wall is out now, and all of this is gonna be cohesive retail space. And still more painting to do. And I don't know if there's been anything different in the classroom since you were here. Let me look and see. Since the last video, I think this wall was already out. So they've got to replace a strip of carpet in there, put it in, clean the floor, and paint. And this room's gonna be gray. Gray has not gone up yet, but when it does, I will show you that too. We had to add some electrical outlets there because if I'm gonna teach cricket classes here, which I sure hope to do, because hopefully our internet will be stellar, we needed plugs everywhere. So we had some here and back there, but there weren't any over here. So we had to add those. So that's gonna be our classroom. And I do have another exciting update in the studio. So if you come back this way, we head to the studio area. And in this room, which we're not painting, we're leaving it the color it is. This is where my studio is gonna be. Just gonna open this up and show you this exciting update. I'm so excited about this. So you've probably heard me talk about Carpenter Luke that I met at Rustic Relics. He made this table for me to film on. So in future videos, I don't know if paper videos will be on this table, but like chalk couture and home decor videos are gonna come from this table. And look, this is the plan. So my background will be that. How beautiful is that, right? You're seeing it for the first time. And the reason we made it special is because you guys like to know these things. This guy is, I think this guy is 4 foot by 6 foot. I'm pretty sure that's the size of him. And the reason is the table we currently use is only a 3 by 4 table, and we can't get our camera high enough to hide like the tripod legs and stuff like that. Plus in this one, I'm gonna do a different kind of tripod that goes over the top. You guys will see all that as it goes, but how gorgeous. Handmade, absolutely incredible. Look at that. He did such good work. I asked him to distress it, and he's like, he's so funny. He's like, I don't like distressing wood, because he's a true carpenter. He doesn't like to distress it, but he did some for me, and I think it's gorgeous. Look at the other side. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I think he did a great job, and he's building something else exciting for us, which you'll see when that comes. So let's go check out some more of the space. So this is exciting for me, probably for none of you, but that is the first stages of internet, and we're happy about it. That was installed yesterday. Do I know what it is? No, I have no idea, but it's installed and I'm super happy about it. And I don't know if I showed y'all the bright green room, this room, which all the staff say, they're like, don't paint it, then you have a green screen, a built-in green screen. I'm like, I don't know how to use a green screen, but this will be mine in Vince's office. I just wanted to make fun of the green color. More update is the framing has been done between the two rooms here. And this room, we might have told you in the last video, it's going to be Amanda's office, but we've changed our mind. And now this is going to be Amber. And then through there will be Amanda, because she'll be in the warehouse. This will lead to the warehouse area here. And so that's why we've opened this space up. And this is the warehouse. Maybe some stuff has been moved out since last time. It's slow going, but we're going to get there, guys. We're going to get there. And we did speak to the tent guy, the window tent guy. So that is coming down, and we are having window tent put up. I think it's the right move. We love this wall with all the scripture on it, but Thomas and Tennille, who are going to be working here, and Amanda, don't really want to not be able to see out the window. So since we have a window, we're going to take advantage of it, and we're just going to limo tint it, so that way it's black on the outside, but we can see out of it. So I think it'll be nice, and it'll brighten up the space too.